Across various applications, using 8 and 16-bit microcontrollers, system power reduction is one of the most important issues. The RL78 G23 can reduce current consumption not only during operation, but also during standby. Additionally, the RL78 G23 is equipped with a snooze mode sequencer that can also reduce current consumption during snooze mode, thus allowing you to reduce your system power even further. The snooze mode, supported by the RL78 family, is a function that enables low power consumption. The conventional snooze mode in the RL78 family was limited to AD conversion and serial receive functions, but the new snooze mode sequencer, installed in the RL78 G23, allows access to most peripherals functions and RAM without booting of the CPU. In addition to accessing the SFRs of each peripheral function and RAM, the snooze mode sequencer can execute an arbitrary sequence combining 16-bit add-sub branching and wait processing, and can start the CPU and data transfer controller directly according to the conditional judgment, thus enabling a further reduction in system power consumption. Let's see how power consumption can be reduced using an example calculating the moving average of AD conversion results. Conventional snooze mode can start the AD converter and acquire the AD conversion result in any interval cycle. However, in order to calculate the total and average using the AD conversion result, it is necessary to start CPU operation. The snooze mode sequencer can not only start the AD converter and acquire the AD conversion result, but is also able to calculate the total and average, and then judge the result. Because there is no need to start the CPU, total system power consumption can be reduced by up to 30%. The snooze mode sequencer can be easily programmed with the smart configurator provided by Renesas. 11 types of activation triggers can be selected from the pull-down menu. Processing commands such as calculation, branching, and waiting are provided as 21 types of functional blocks, and you can easily generate the code simply by creating a flow diagram connecting the functional blocks. Please refer to the Renesas website for more details.